Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable Manchow soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including a variety of colorful vegetables. Next, prepare your aromatic base by finely mincing garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Then, we will craft a rich, flavorful broth using soy sauce and vinegar. Finally, I will guide you through thickening the soup to achieve that perfect, comforting texture. For our delicious Manchow soup, you will need to finely chop 1 cup of cabbage, half a cup of carrots, and 1/4 cup of beans. Also, mince 6 cloves of garlic, a 2-inch piece of ginger, and 2 green chilies. Don't forget to slice 1/4 cup of mushrooms and 1/4 cup of spring onion whites. Have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 4 tablespoons of water ready for thickening later. Let's start crafting our flavorful broth. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or wok over medium-high heat. Sauté your minced garlic, ginger, and green chilies for about 30 seconds until they become wonderfully fragrant. Next, add all your chopped vegetables and stir-fry them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly tender. Finally, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now let's perfect the consistency of our soup. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Gradually stir in your cornstarch slurry until the soup thickens beautifully to your desired consistency. Season with salt and black pepper to taste, and you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar if you prefer a hint of sweetness. Garnish with crispy fried noodles and fresh spring onion greens before serving hot. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.